100K.
Hello guys, welcome to Candid Vlogs. This video is very important for me, you know why? And this is the dream of every YouTuber to receive a reward from YouTube. And guess what? Here it is. The very moment. See, this is the reward I got from YouTube. Actually, I received this one, I think maybe like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, 2 weeks ago, but I didn't have time to make a video. So today I'm gonna unbox this one first and then we'll talk about it, okay? So let's unbox this one first. Okay guys, let's unbox this one. Dun, 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 dun. So also not, I don't know. You're looking at, right? You're just looking. Yes. So here, and then this is R18. See here, the small something written here later. Let me read out. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Okay. Shh. And there's a certification. Letter from YouTube. CEO YouTube. You can see here, Suzanne Wojcicki. Right. Do you remember your first subscriber? Yes. Your 100 or your 1000 subscriber. So this is a very good. This is what you make like like achieving something and I feel so good Okay, and da-da-dan.
All my subscribers.
So this is the very silver button. Let's get rid of the plastic. And the frame. So guys, so this is the very silver button that I really like. Presented to Candid Vlogs for passing 100,000 subscribers YouTube. And for me, like this play button, the silver play button is more important. The reason is that I started my YouTube videos 2 years ago, and just after 1 year, like then like COVID-19 pandemic break in, and I wasn't there making videos continuously one after another every week, right? Because of COVID-19 there wasn't enough contents to make. But even on those those days like where I don't have even any videos for 6 or 8 months continuously, I did not make any videos, but still my followers, my subscribers, they trust on me. They keep watching my videos even though those my old videos, and people keep following my channel, which is makes me so proud, makes me so what it gets overwhelmed me, right, by getting this award. That's why, my friends, I would like to thank to all of you, every one of you. I don't have enough words to say thank you, but I'm really, really grateful for all of you for continuing support me, supporting my channel, supporting my videos, and keep being there with my channel, even though there was no any videos for many days. And this is what makes me more, like boost my energy and more, what I can say, more proud, more like enthusiastic to make more videos. And with this award, and I would like to say to all of you that I will come back with my videos, with my channel again, and I will be back with the same like I was there before, right? I'll make videos again. So things are now being settled. Yeah, it's going on, and so far now, even the pandemic is more better, right? And yes, thank you very much guys. I'm feeling so proud, so happy for receiving this silver award. I don't know whether I will receive the diamond gold award or not, but for me this is the achievement, you know. And I believe this is the first silver button, like, you know, gives you more confidence, more energy, more happiness than any other award. And I believe for every YouTuber, you know, first silver button is the most important and the most happiest moment, I would say. So I'm so happy, and I'm gonna hang this one somewhere in the very wall where I always make my video. You can see this one, it comes with this already hanger. So good, guys. There it is. This is my reward for being a YouTuber in YouTube.